child abduction emergency at the request of the Springfield Police Department. The Illinois Emergency Alert System is being activated for an Amber Alert. Two children were abducted from PASFIELD and Allen Streets in Springfield, Illinois around 4:04 p.m. this afternoon. Diana Wright is a female black, light complex 16-year-old. Aviana T. Wright is a female black, light complex 3-year-old. The children were abducted after an accident by Floyd Eugene Brown, male black. The vehicle is a white 2004 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, license K2203307. Anyone with information should call 911 and advise they have an Amber Alert report. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police.